Hello everyone, welcome to the first overview video of our last unit, which is Unit 10. Just to remind everyone, everything in the previous units, so everything in Unit 8 and Unit 9, it's still open, it's still available, and you can still turn it in. If you have any questions about what you need to turn in, then make sure you go to Sapphire, take a look at your grade. If you have an I, that means you need to do it. And if you are not sure of what it is, then let me know. I can help you out. So now that we're in Unit 10, we're going to click into the Unit 10 folder here. This one's going to be green. And so for the next day, the first day of Unit 10, we are going to be talking more about the periodic table. And so you're probably all familiar with the periodic table. I know a lot of students have told me in the past that they had to memorize elements on the periodic table. That's not what we're doing here. We're going to look more at like trends and different things on the periodic table and what the different numbers and symbols mean. So the first thing we need to figure out is, so on the periodic table, it's the periodic table of elements, and so we need to figure out what makes up an element. And so the basically building block of an element is going to be an atom, one singular atom. So you need to understand what an atom is so that we can understand elements and all of that stuff. So what you're going to do is you are going to split screen. If you have like a laptop and your iPad, that works too if you have two screens, but if you just have one screen, you can split screen this link right here, which is building an atom. So this is going to take you into one of those simulations. You've done these before, it'll look very familiar. And then this right here, the building an atom questions, you're going to open up, and again, you're going to split screen the two, and it's going to tell you to do something here, and then or it's going to give you the directions here to do it so that you can answer the question. So it'll say, hey, set it like this, or hey, what does it look like when, you put a proton into an atom, and you'll understand what all those words mean once you click into it. And then this is what you're going to submit. Again, this has multiple tries, so if you do it the first time and you're not happy with your score, do it again. And that is day 11.